What's up guys, Zekrix here, back for another video. Today I am in, I think it's Stringtown, West Virginia, I think. It is 79 degrees outside, it's pretty hot. Warm summer, well, spring day. We'll be seeing another band house again. This one's a little bit more in the back roads in the middle of nowhere. So sits alongside of a very narrow road and a creek. Without any further ado, let's dive right on into this video. So I haven't really attempted to go through the front door of this place. Since I just checked it out, I went through the back. So we will be going through the back instead of the front. This is a very white house. Stands out with its bright color as well. But shows a lot of scars. Looks like it's been abandoned for a while apparently. And stuff. I'm not sure how long this place has been abandoned for. I'm guessing it's been around probably 10-15 years. It's been sitting without any proper ownership or maintenance and stuff. There's a lot of houses in this area as well. Plenty of houses. I was planning on going to this one house up the hill or up the road, but it was very overgrown. I couldn't barely see it on the map and in person, so I decided to just take my plan B route, and this is my plan B. So yeah, this is a pretty nice house. Let's take a look inside. I'm guessing, I'm not really sure what this room was, but I'm pretty sure the room right there, that's definitely the restroom, bathroom. So you gotta be careful because there's a couple wasps in here. A lot of wasps and stuff. Alright. Let's take a look inside here. Also notice a big bee's nest right there. Been pretty devastated. Also apologize for the noises of the trucks. We're right beside a local construction or whatever mining company. Just the inside. Obviously this was the kitchen, I guess. Looks like they took all their dishes and just left with it as well. A lot of trash just laying around. Alright, let's see what's inside these drawers. Notice this one's the only one that has stuff in it. Let's just see a lot of screws. Screws and springs, which I wouldn't really bother with. Screws and springs and nails. These are empty. Yeah, that's empty. I'm guessing this is all just, yeah, just trash. They didn't want to keep. This is the living room. Pretty worn out. They definitely leave their clothes behind. One thing I noticed with all these band places that these people leave their clothes behind. They leave all their clothes. So definitely a lot of stuff here. Let's check out that TV. I also noticed that there's a couple TVs in here too. This one is called the Admiral with a crown on it that says 23. And the buttons do work for this one. Only has 2 buttons, which is surprising. Well, I guess unsurprising. And there's someone left their Bible here too. The old Bible. Yeah. I'm guessing this was a closet or some pantry or something. I guess so. Alright. Let's check out the next room. I'm guessing this was a bedroom. That's honestly my guess. This was probably a bedroom. Yeah. This one also has clothes and stuff on the ground too. See a couple old books. I guess this is houses for sale. This literally just shows all the houses that are for sale. That's cool. Oh, there's a bee. There's some nice homes. This would be a nice thing to keep though. I wonder how old this is. Doesn't say when it was copyrighted, but yeah, it's a nice looking book. There's a lot more books and stuff as well, but let's just cover everything else part of this house. Alright, let's head upstairs. Was here before I even got here. I had to step over this, which I really can't. Oops. Upstairs, next place, part of the house. You can also feel the breeze as well, since they removed all the windows apparently. Alright. This is the next part of the house, upper floor. I'm guessing this was a kid's room. Like a baby slept here. You see there's a crib right here. My guess is that a baby slept here or something. Unless this is one of those moon beds. I don't know, it's the bed that has the cages on it. A crescent shaped bed. I don't know. I forgot what they're called. There's also a lot of jars up here. Another thing I find noticeable, common with abandoned houses, is that they leave jars behind. Some 2 TVs as well, 2 more TVs. And a, honestly don't even know what that is. I'm not gonna bother. A nice outside view from here. Let's see what these books are. These are some small looking books as well. Catherine George, Love Not. And Carrie Gray, Love is a Gypsy. Okay. That's a lot of small books. Annette Broderick, Love Remembered. So I'm guessing these are all romance books. And old jars too. Interesting. Another TV as well, the 90s TV. Mostly interested in the bottom one, which I don't even know what this is. What model this TV is. But it's cool to see one anyways. Alright. Get to the next room. This one's pretty empty, so nothing really much to see here. Obviously, I'm guessing another bedroom. Cool looking bedroom. I think this is the only window in the entire house. This one right here. I wonder why they removed all the windows. This looks like some Silent Hill type stuff here. These walls, so old. Old flowers on here. Brings out a cool vibe. Another room right here. I don't know what this room was, to be honest. There's a lot more jars as well right here. Tons of jars as well. I think this is the last room of the house that I saw or could think of. It's not really that special, other than just more jars and stuff. Alright. Let's take another look at the outside. See you guys in a bit. Alright, back outside. Got one last view for you guys of the house before I end this short video. Fortunately, there is nothing really in this area, not in this house area, anything cool to see, but I just happened to find this house on the map, so I'm, you know, here I am already, so head out here so I can see a little bit further on. I'm just waiting for these trucks to pass by. I don't think I'm doing something suspicious. There's a lot of trucks. I think I've probably seen about 6 trucks. 6 or 8 trucks on this road. And this road is so freaking narrow. I don't know how they pull it off. Here's one last view for you guys of the place. Come around here, back to the front. Yep. That's all I can show for today, guys. Probably be going down the road to look at another house. So I hope you enjoyed this place. I'll be thinking about if I want to post the location or not. But anyways, hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys have a nice day. Like and subscribe for more. This is Ecrix. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.